Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? On this tutorial I'm going to show you how I decorated this gorgeous marble fondant cake for a man. It's a blue, black and white cake. So as you can see that I'm adding just a little blue fondant and black fondant to a white fondant, right? So after adding them, you just squeeze everything together just like so. Just ensure that you incorporate everything, not too much, don't squeeze too much so that you will not over mix, because of course you want to see the colors you've added, you want to see them, you want to make them visible, so you don't over knead it, right? So after adding the color, squeeze it a little and then flatten it out. When you flatten it out, check the two sides. The side that you prefer, that will be the side that will be on your cake. So I thought to use this side, which I thought was better, right? And then I flipped it over again. So when I'm covering, that other part now that is under will have to be the one on top, right? Just like you take it and then you put it on top, right? So you will do the same. This other one, of course, you guys know that I love to use the paneling method when I am covering my fondant cake. It's way easier, it is convenient, and then of course it saves lots of fondant, right? So that's why I prefer using the paneling method over the drip method. So you'll do the same thing for the bigger fondant, which is going to be the circumference, the one that will go around the cake, right? You will do the same thing, add any color of your choice. So because this cake is for a man, I thought to use black and blue, but if you're doing another, maybe for somebody else, a lady, a little girl or a boy, you can alternate the colors, right? So you do the same thing that you did in the first one, just put the colors and patches, and then squeeze everything together and then roll it out, just like I did in this video. This fondant was very tough, like it was very hard, so kneading it, rolling it out was a bit challenging, right? But of course, busy bee got to do it, right? So just like I said, just roll it out. Always ensure to flip it over and over again so that your fondant will not stick to your work surface, and that is one of the reasons why I love to use cornstarch or corn flour, whatever you call it in your location, right? You will see me in almost all my videos, you will see lots of cornstarch on my cake, but that is not a problem, because at the end of after decorating the cake, I would steam it, and then when I steam it, you would not even notice that there was a lot of cornstarch stain on the cake. So the reason why I use cornstarch is because I want to avoid the fondant from sticking to my work surface. That is the primary reason why I use cornstarch when I am rolling or decorating, especially fondant cakes, right? Whether white or colored, I don't mind at all, and I use it excessively. I don't even know why. I think I've gotten used to using a lot of it. I see some bakers use just a little cornstarch, just put it on their work surface and they roll their fondant. But for me, I've gotten used to using too much.